Hey guys, today we're gonna try to see how we can wake up the iPhone from complete coma or when it dies. See, I hold it, it's not working. I either press this, it's not working. It's an iPhone 4. So I went online and they're suggesting a power reset by holding the sleep and wake and the home button at the same time for 30 seconds. So let's see if that works. I'm holding now until the Apple logo appears. Oops, there we go. Should probably take a second to boot up. It was about like the battery was full, so, and then it just went dead and didn't wake it up. So now once it's booted, I can call my friend. Oh, there we go. Okay, hope that helped. Goodbye.